Hello everyone. Lots of people have issue with BitLocker recovery that coming from new Windows updates, and it's occurring for specific Lenovo laptops with the specific generation. Other HP and Dell laptop it doesn't occur this issue. So for to prevent this issue, you have to run some commands. Um, so like what is BitLocker is something like a security for your data. It's if it sees something in appropriate setting in your window, so it lock your screen to prevent a data loss. So that's why this is a BitLocker. And some people have recovery for BitLocker, so they can enter the recovery key and they can access their laptop. But some people, most of the people doesn't have the recovery key. So to prevent this issue, when you are rebooting your computer after Windows update, don't restart directly. You have to run some command from PowerShell to suspend the BitLocker recovery for a number of counts, like after 15 start, after 20. On that time, maybe the Windows have some more updates, so it resolve this issue, because all the Lenovo updates have this issue. So I am giving you some commands and I'm showing you how to enter the command in PowerShell, and what is the command I put in the comment section, so you can just copy and paste in your PowerShell, so you can prevent yourself for this BitLocker recovery issue, because it's like a hectic. You have to wipe your data, and you have to install new Windows if you don't have the BitLocker key. But if you have a BitLocker recovery key, you just have like in your emails where you save your key. So just you have to enter the key, you can enter it, then you can access your computer easily. But if you don't have the recovery key, so you just have to into the command before you are rebooting the computer. Okay, so I'm showing you the command how to enter it. So just you have to go to PowerShell and run as an administrator. Okay, when you run as an administrator, so you see like this page. So I can show you the command. The command is this one: Suspend-BitLocker MountPoint C reboot count 15. So you are going to suspend the BitLocker for 15 count, so it can prevent you from the BitLocker recovery key issue. Okay, because it disabling it for 15 count, but 15 count is something like your restarting computer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 to 15. Then after 15, then it's gonna be a BitLocker issue comes again. But after that long time, like if you restart 15 or 2 weeks, it's gonna be 2-3 months. So I think every month Windows has some updates, so it resolves this issue for Lenovo. It's specifically for Lenovo. If it occur all other laptops too, so you can put this command, so it definitely works. So okay, just you have to hit enter. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna show you, it's gonna tell you that, okay, this is operating C, you have that capacity, encryption percentage 100, key protector this, and protection status off. You are turning off the protection status of your computer. It's not any security risk for this, it's very safe. You're just turning off the status of the BitLocker. That's it, nothing crazy in it, so it's safe to do. So that's all. I'm just putting this command into the uh, comment section. You just copy and download, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have some amazing videos for this kind of Windows issue, and like new help decks, related stuff, and I'm gonna guide you all the technical expertise that you like to get a job in future. Thank you.